Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another one, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, never end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah, and finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door, I hear my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me, and I pray for her even more than me. No, I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? And I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord sees I am dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. Noong panahong siya'y hari, masiglang kanyang pagbati, mahigpit ang hawak ng mga daliri, at ang lakad na may matuwid. Mahusay ang kanyang talumpati, makisig kung siya'y magdamit. Malalim ang kanyang pag-iisip, at lahat lahat ay sa kanya nakatitig. Ngunit ngayong siya'y pagod na, mahina na rin ang katawan, pinagmamasdan na lamang sa bintana ang unti-unting pagdaloy ng ulan. At ang unang tanong sa umaga, kung ano ang kanyang nagawa sa paglipas ng 90 taon, nang siya'y malakas at bata pa. Si Lolo Jose, si Lolo Jose, si Lolo Jose, matanda na, ngunit mahal ko pa si Lolo Jose, kahit siya ngayon ay laos na. Sa piling ng mga alaala, lagi na lamang nag-iisa. Kahit sulyap walang maaasahan, sa anak na di man siya mapagbigyan. At ang unang tanong sa umaga, kung mayroon pa siyang magigisnan, naliwanag sa nalalabing buhay. Ngayon siya'y matanda at laos na. Si Lolo Jose, si Lolo Jose, si Lolo Jose ay matanda na, ngunit mahal ko pa si Lolo Jose, kahit siya ngayon ay laos na. Sa dilim ng kanyang pag-aasam, maghapon na lang nakabantay, kung kanyang matatanaw pa ang hiwaga, nang hindi malim